Don't you want a happier life? Don't say goodbye. Don't you want a happier life? Don't you want a happier life? Don't say goodbye. Don't you want a happier life? You gon' live life on the regular. I'ma live life till I do it all. Perky and out of it later though. I don't fuck with them niggas, don't get involved. Lil' brody be riding the rich and then fucking them bitches. Riding like Roddy the rich and I'm under them bending to get out the way. Future Hendrix. 30 seat to get him busy. Coincide with a blizzard. Nigga hit me, he offended. I could probably fuck a friend again. No, I don't wanna fuck. Then what's the issue? Never was innocent. She alone to the streets. Got me on papers. Won't sign no papers. Got me on papers. Won't sign no papers. Bought me a house. Won't sign my neighbors. Bought me a couch. Won't find my layup. If I bought you a Birkin, it was like working. Man, it's just yay. You know I'm perfect. I'm up 10 billion. You know my urges. Put you on the Miriam. Cause you got courage. It's your boy Ye. And Donda 2 just dropped. Make sure you guys go get that. What's going on? It's your boy The Real Cologne, man. How did you guys like how Donda 2 sounds by Kanye West, man? I went to the live performance in Miami and bro, the experience was ridiculous. The sun was out, fogs, helicopters, motorcycles, all type of stuff was coming out, man. I didn't know what was going on, but it was definitely a vibe. I like the songs off Donda 2, and yeah, man, we back with it, man. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading because, you know, my life is kind of crazy and hectic. Like I said, I still do TV shows. I'm on another TV show and, you know, just producing and songwriting and stuff like that. But if y'all guys need me, y'all can hit me up on Instagram at The Real Cologne, or just hit me up on YouTube, man. I respond to DMs, I respond to comments, anything y'all want to do. So it's your boy The Real Cologne. I'm signing out. I'm gonna be more consistent. The next video I'm doing is Pusha T. How Pusha T raps, baby. So it's your boy The Real Cologne. I'm signing out.